Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to meet my sister and there will be many more things that you will see in this particular vlog. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and I'm already late as always. My sister is already waiting me in the market, so I have to rush now. So now without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, you need to see my OOTD. So now without any further ado, let's see my OOTD first. So here's my OOTD. These days I'm more into, big size t-shirt, boyfriend t-shirt, whatever you want to call. So yeah, this is my OOTD, and the bag that I'm carrying today is here, right here. So yeah, this bag is pretty heavy because I have so many stuffs inside this bag. So let's see how it will go. So I'll see you guys when I reach market. Bye. Say hi. के भन्नु छ तिमीलाई छैन what you can do while waiting for the food. Use your time wisely, just like our makeup artist. Skills, skills. I like this color. Thanks. This color is really pretty. Thanks. Before this, I only used to use this. Yeah, I know it. Now I'm stuck in this one. Lavender is my vibe, guys. Yes. So guys, if you want to look beautiful just like her, you can contact her obviously in order to do nice makeup. Finally, my pizza is here. So my eye. Say hi. So yeah, खाने मन चाहिँ यहाँ हो. Just kidding. I'm so hungry, so I'll just dig in, guys. Joyous is very happy to see this cake. Yeah, she was about to order this. Manko kura sundar jasto cha. So thank you so much for treating us with this beautiful and delicious cheesecake, guys. Thank you, coffee shop. Hi, say hello, hello. Hello. So guys, Gangtok is considered to be a smart city, and in smart city, there are like so many plants which is included. So one of them is, this is the part of smart city where you can see that children can play different types of games here. This is how you can play, and especially these are meant for the kids. So this is a part of the smart city. So if you are here in Gangtok, obviously you can try and see and take some advantage of it. And credit goes to Sivan Dada, though they have done it, their team. So good job. Vlog. Anything? Any last few words? When you are in MG Mark, you have to sit like this. This is the posture. How cool it is. How are you feeling?
Very comfortable.
After eating so much, she's feeling so sleepy. Okay. Guys, we are going to Reliance Trend because this is a post-birthday gift that I am buying for her. So it's her day. Let's go. Second. Shopping is really tiring, guys, and now it's trial time. I'm waiting for my mom. Since this is her post-birthday gift that I'm gifting her, and yes guys, I hope she will enjoy the shopping that we are doing today. And to be honest, after such a long time, me and mom, we are doing shopping together, so I'm pretty happy. So let's see how she will like the clothes. Hi guys, I just met my subscriber and she's so happy to see me. Please kindly say your name and like.
My name is Sushma Rai and I'm from Rampur. And like first देखि नै हो अलिकति तपाईहरुको सब्स्क्राइबर कम्ती कम्ती थियो तर मैले मेसेजहरु गर्थेन हैन म शरम लाग्थ्यो नि त कम्ती नोटिस हुन्छ नि बिस्तारै सबै मैले अहिले सम्म जति सक्दो भिडियोहरु चाहिँ हेरेको छु
ए हुन्छ थ्यांक यू सो मच
खुसी लाग्यो तपाईलाई
के भन्नु चाहिँ मेरो भ्युअर्सलाई
हुन्छ सबैजनाले अझै उहाँको भिडियोजहरु हेर्दिनु होला है दामी दामी हुन्छ कन्टेन्टहरु अनि आउने दिनहरुमा हामीले किनभने तपाई अब लोकल हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो अझै धेरै फेमस बनाउनु पर्छ
थ्यांक यू
so much